What makes user downloads mobile application?
We need entertainment!
Do you guys like to use mobile application to learn new things?
Yes!
How mobile application should be designed? Mobile application should be designed with a medium content, balanced use of pictures and explanations. So, what are you guys looking for in a mobile application? Aha! Easy to understand? Okay, we got it! Have you ever been introduced to interaction design?
Well...
Hello, I'm Intan. I'm pursuing my degree in Faculty of Computing and Informatics at MMU Cyberjaya. As an FCI student, interaction design is part of my core subject. Well, I don't quite understand the subject. To make matters worse, I get bored easily whenever I go to this class. So one day, while I was browsing through the mobile application market, I came across this one application, Mnessist Interaction Design e-learning mobile application. Interesting. So, without hesitation, I click on the install button. Ping! Tick tock, tick tock, yay! During lunchtime, while I was waiting for Fatin at the bus stop, I browsed through the Mnessist application. I was wowed with the friendly user interface with brilliant graphic design and easy to understand navigation. This Mnessist application describes several examples of good and bad design of everyday objects, and it also describes the 4 steps in interaction design lifecycle. This Mnessist application really helps me in aiding learning interaction design. I can bring it anywhere and use it anytime as I'm always with my smartphone. Hierarchical task analysis. It involves breaking a task down into subtasks. These are grouped as plans which specify how the task might be performed in practice. For new user who is using the Mnessist Interaction Design mobile application, first of all, they need to choose whether they want to learn about the good design or bad design or interaction design life cycles, or all of them. After that, the mobile application will navigate them to the subtasks of each topic. After they are done learning, they can exit. Design 1. Mnessist homepage. Which subtopic do you want to learn? Click on Good Design. Ding! Interface of Good Design. Click on Home button to go to Home page. Next, click on the Example button 1. Ding! The picture for Example 1 will come out. Next, click on the first point. Ding! The explanation for the first point will come out. Next, click on the second point. Ding! The explanation for point 2 will come out. The same thing goes to button Example 2 and button Example 3. So, the explanation will come out exactly like the Example button 1. So, if you want to exit the application, just click on here. Ding! Interface for bad design. Click on the first button, Example 1. Ding! The first picture will come out. And for the explanation, click on the first point. Ding! The first point will come out. Next, click on the second point. Ding! The second explanation will come out. And the same thing goes to the button Example 2 and button Example 3. To exit the bad design interface, just click on the Exit button. Ding! Interface for Interaction Design Life Cycle. To understand the Interaction Design Life Cycle, there are 4 points. So, for the first point, click on the first point, then the first explanation will come out. Same goes to button 2, button 3, and button 4. To exit the Interaction Design Life Cycle, just click on Exit button. Ding! After you click the Exit button, thank you for using Design 2. Mnessist homepage. Choose subtopic interface. Choose whether you want to learn about good design or bad design or interaction design life cycle. Click on Go button. Ding! Interface for good design. First of all, we will explain what is good design. Next, for the example, you can choose from 3 examples. You can click on the button A or button B or button C. Let's say you click on button A. Ding! So, the first example will come out on here and the explanation will be on this side. So, for home, you can just click on this home button, or to exit the application, you can click on this exit button. Ding! Now, we will navigate you to bad design interface. Click on the Go button. Ding! Interface for bad design. First of all, we will explain what is bad design. Next, for the example, you can choose from example A or example B or example C. Let's say you click on example B. Ding! The interface for bad design. The example will be on this side and the explanation on this side. To go back to home, just click on here, or to exit the application, just click on this button. Now, we will navigate you to Interaction Design Life Cycle. Click on the Go button. Ding! Interface for Interaction Design Life Cycle. There are 4 phases of Interaction Design Life Cycles. So, if you want to know one of them, you just click on the first button and the explanation will be on this side. Same goes to button 2, button 3, and button 4. To exit the Mnessist application, just click on the Exit button. Ding! Thank you for using this application. We, the developer, put ourselves as a user. So we chose design 1. Ding! And we reject design 2. And so we chose design 1. Why we chose design 1? The first design offers more user interactivity and has more interesting graphic design. As you can see, in design 1, the GUI uses semantic color mapping to aid the user in terms of memory recognition, memory association, and information recall.